Hi everyone. Here we have macOS Monterey 12.6 installed. Let's focus on the screen and I will show you how to update to the latest build version and get the latest security patch. So here we have macOS version 12.6 installed, which can be seen here. And now let's go to software update and system preferences. You can see Ventura update, but we don't need that. We need a 12.6 update, which should be over here. You can see 12.6.3 written over here, 1.64 GB, just this much. We can install it and then you can proceed to getting it. So that's one method. Or there is another method also available, which is through terminal. Cancelling it as of now, and let's move on to terminal. Here you can see a macOS version, which is listed as 12.6 and the build version is 21G115. So using the command software update list full installers, here we can see Monterey version, this one 6.3. So I can upgrade to any of these versions, and I have to input one command for that. This is the command, and we will use this label. Quotes mark. Let's press enter. It should work this time, and yeah, so now it is downloading. 7% it is written here. So now you can see it has been downloaded 100% and macOS Monterey is ready to be installed. But the one thing which is there right now is it is asking me that this update requires at least 50% of the battery, and as of now the battery is only 36%. So this update has been paused. We can continue with this update by changing this D to I. When I press enter, it will start installing, and this is very essential so that macOS can be installed. And when it is fully downloaded, the terminal will ask to terminate it. Like this, a window will pop up. Just press terminate and the Mac will reboot. And software update is done. Thanks a lot. See you. Bye bye.